Welcome all of you. Today we will discuss how to clean the data. First, load the data. Click on Get Data. File location. Here is data. Click on Open. Data loading process is going on. Here all sheets are shown. We have to choose customers, locations, products, sales, sales teams, and sales result. In bottom, there are two options: load or transform data. If you have a clean data, no need to clean again, then click on load. Otherwise, you have to clean the data. Here we have to clean the data, so click on transfer data. Power Query editor is opened. Here are 6 tables. In right side, applied step. If you applied any changes to these tables, then changes are shown here. First of all, we check data types. Customer ID data type here is whole number. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's correct. Then click on customer name. Here is data type text. Okay. In this way, this data type is whole number. City name data type is text. Country data type is text. State code data type is text. State data type is text. In this way, we have to check first data type is whether data type is correct or not. Here we check that data type is correct. State warehouse code text. Date order date. Order date is date type. Here data type is date type is clear. In this way, delivery date, this is date type. Okay. Sales team ID is whole number. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Customer ID whole number. In this way, we checked the all data types. Here we found that all data types are correct. Then no need to change. Here we see on sales table, order number, sales channel, order date. Click on order date. We see that one null value is there. We have to clear null value. So uncheck this and apply on OK. Null value is removed. In this way, you will remove all the null value from this table. There are 6 tables. You check one by one. In this way, you null value will be removed. Apply step, filter row, click on sales table, sales channel. We check that some error are there. In store, you have to replace this error, correct this error. In store, copy with spelling. Then as previous, right click, replace value. Paste as we copy. Single hyphen. Okay. And click on OK. Next error is online. There is a gap between online. Okay. Best practice is to copy. Then select all as previous. Right click, replace value. There is no gap. Now click OK. Let's check. Online is correct, in store is correct. The wholesale. Click on OK. Copy this. Then select all as previous. Right click, replace value. Wholesale. Click on OK. All error are removed now. In this way, you check in all table, all column. Million. Okay. Customer. I see underscore is on starting of customer. We have to remove. Double click this. Okay. In this way, we will remove all errors. Here you can check, click on View tab, column quality. Here is show valid 100%, valid 100%, error 0%, 0%. In this way, you check error 0%, empty 0%, and 100%. In this way, we can find out whether there is some error or not. Where is she? Where is she? Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe now our channel, share among your friends and like it. Thank you.